see gas, you gotta come in, it's right there. So, yeah, let's go try and grab a bike. But first I gotta go get gas. So I'll see you guys when I'm on the road and at the bike shop. See you guys later.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Nick. I guess this will be a part 2 of the Craftsman GT mower with the Kohler Command 20 horsepower. We left off talking about the engine speed would run wide open when you started it, and I was diagnosing the plastic governor being the problem inside the motor, but remember I took it all apart and the governor looked fine in it, everything looked good. So had no idea why this thing, once you started, wanted to just run wide open. So I mean, I cleaned everything back up, put the motor back together, remounted it, and just kind of hoped for the best because I didn't see anything wrong with it. Linkage was good and everything. So put it back together and started it up, and lo and behold, darn thing's running fine. So I'll start it and let you guys listen to it. I got idle control, throttle's working like it's supposed to. Looks like it's smoking a little bit because I had the sump cover off and oil everywhere, so it's gonna go through that phase. But as far as the idle speed, it's running fine. So I have no idea. Nothing wrong with the governor, the linkage was good, but it was screaming wide open before when I started it. Took it apart, cleaned it up, everything up, put it back together, and it's running fine. I got nothing. So if you guys got anything, or you run into this before, drop a comment below, let me know, because I don't have a clue. That's just one of those crazy things that happen sometime, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, this is Nick with another video. Make sure you guys hit the like for me, and more videos to come.